Hey, welcome back to another video on gardening with Big Ben. Today we're doing yet another unboxing, maybe the last of the season, who knows. This is actually an order I placed from High Country Roses. So this is my second order from them, and I'm very curious to see how these came because they shipped all the way from Colorado while we're having 90-degree heat. So here we go, and rose number 1 here. Nice wrapping for what they did. It looked pretty darn good, actually, I think. Very dry looking, that's fine. We can take care of that very quickly. I actually have my little kettle full of water here, but what we're going to have to do first, you see they're packaged here with a combination of paper and tape on here. So this tape is going to be cut. But this one is called Candyland. All these are climbing roses that I got for my new arbor that I built from pallets that came from my walkway paver project. All right, this is also in good shape here. Now we're going to keep these in the shade probably for several days as they acclimate to the environment here. This is called Above All. Now see, I think they actually used recyclable, or should I say, compostable peanut shells. That's what they feel like. I'm not 100% sure. I'd have to ask them. But here, another rose here. Fruity Petals. Fruity Petals. Sorry about that. Unless you were thinking of the cereal. Now, they also come with very comprehensive instructions, as well as the packing slip here. You can see the packing slip right here. And in case you're wondering, the website is highcountryroses.com. They were very, very polite with me and gave me a real deal on the sale of these roses. So they're willing to work with you. All right, a little dirt spilling from this one. Isn't this pretty? Look at this one. This is called Garden Sun, a climber. So I believe that's probably a yellow. Don't quote me on that, but the picture I'll show up will display the actual color. So, and the last one here is called Honeymoon. I believe this one is a pink double climber. So you see, there you go, right there. I think, considering the heat and everything, they look great. I'll probably give them a little bit of water in a bit as soon as I get that tape off. But anyway, thank you for joining me on this unboxing video. I hope you have many more in the future, and as budget allows. And also, it's getting pretty hot here. This is in June 2026 here at Rose Grove. That's what we call our property. And thank you for joining me on Gardening with Big Ben. Thank you for growing with me. Have a great day.